Okay, I'd like to talk to you about the lubrication collection system that we have on the SmartROC T40. It consists of three components, one being a relief valve, and what that does is as lubrication oil is lubricating the hammer, that oil is collected through a collection system and go back to a tank that we can drain out into a container. In years past, your lubricating oil would just exit through the front of the hammer and then make all the components out front dirty and get oil all over the ground. So now we have a collection system. The relief valve, if you start to see oil leak from the relief valve, then you know that there's something clogged in your collection system. Step number one is to check the strainer. So the strainer is normally located on the first hose bulkhead, and it's simply a Y strainer that you would unthread the nut and you would pull out the screen. Now if the screen was clogged, you would just clean out the debris and put everything back together, and hopefully you won't be having oil exit through your relief valve. Okay, so the third part of our collection system is the tank itself. So the oil is lubricating the hammer, exiting and traveling back through a hose, and then it drains into this tank. Now routinely, you should be able to drain the oil out of this tank into a container and then dispose of it properly. There's a ball valve here that simply you would put your container underneath, take the cap off, open the ball valve, and drain your oil out of the tank.